Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove object from video using kinemaster. So all you have to do right now is open kinemaster app on your mobile phone. There is so many ways to remove or cover the object using kinemaster, but I don't want to using third party beside kinemaster. So this is the only one application. So all you have to do is open your project and tap on layer and then search the handwriting. So in this handwriting you can use this pencil and you can use shape here, or you can use this circle shape. I want to remove this object. You can undo if you think you mess up. So this is for example, and you can edit you can edit this handwriting using this button like this one for example, white one. This is this solid color, sorry, this one, the solid color. Let's undo this. Here you can remove the object, you can hide the object using this layer. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.